Hello guys! Ayan, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. At nandito na naman ako sa farm namin. Tingnan ninyo oh, para lang tayo nasa Pilipinas. Pero nasa Saudi Arabia ako niyan. Tingnan ninyo ang tataba ng mga halaman namin. May mga saging pa oh, at may papaya pa rin. At tingnan ninyo guys. At napakadaming langka. Yung bunga ng langka namin oh. Dito yan sa Sueva. Wow, tingnan ninyo oh. Ang dami, kumpul-kumpul. At dito sa disyerto pa yan guys ha. Magtaka ka bakit ang nakakapagpatubo kami ng mga halaman dito. Tingnan ninyo oh, sa likod oh. Disyerto yan oh. Ayan oh, dyan oh. Disyerto yan guys. Yan oh, disyerto. Tingnan ninyo, papakita ko sa inyo itong lugar na yan. Napaka lawak nitong lugar na to, disyerto, buhangin, ayan o, diba? At dito, ayan makikita ninyo, nakakapagpatubo pa kami ng mga halaman na to, kagaya ng prutas na ito, itong langka o. Wow, ang dami guys o. Nakakatuwa naman o. O diba? Kumpul-kumpul. Wow, ang dami. O diba? Ang sarap igataan niya no, pero papahinugin muna yan guys, taba ng lupa at heto guys, wow. O diba, ang daming papaya, lalaki oh, hinog na oh, maniba lang. O diba, ang daming papaya, maniba lang oh. Wow, ang lalaki, ang daming bunga, kumpul-kumpul pa. Nakakatuwa naman. O diba, wow, si Ethel Boobs. Ang lalaking bunga talaga guys oh. Oh, di ba? Tataba oh. Oh. This is a papaya. Papaya fruits. Look at that. There's so many fruits here in Sueva. Look at that guys. And also have a jackfruits. You know jackfruit guys? This is a jackfruits. Oh, look at that. There's so many jackfruits. Wow. Look at that guys. There's a lot of jackfruits, and also have a tree of papaya. Look at that, so many papaya. And also this, wow. And also have a mango. You know mango? Yes, have mango also here. But now not coming fruits. And also have a, you know this pig fruits. Yes, this is a pig fruits. Look at that. Oh, see, this is a pig fruits. The color of this color green. And look at that. Oh, see, there are have variety pig fruit. Same color like maroon, green. I remember when I was there in Al-Baha, have also a pig tree. This is a fruit here in Saudi Arabia, you know. Look at that. This is a pig tree. Wow. Look at that. This is a desert place, but have many fruits here coming. Look at that. Oh, see? And also have a aloe vera. You know, this is aloe vera. Wow, there's a lot of aloe vera here. I've used for my hair because my hair is, look at that. It's my beautiful hair, long and healthy because of this aloe vera. I've used this aloe vera also for my hair and skin. It's soft and white. There's a lot using of this aloe vera, like shampoo, lotion and cream. Yeah. So guys, come on. This is our farm here. And also I have a marongi. You know marongi? Yes, this is a marongi tree. that we call in the Philippines malunggay. And there's a lot of aloe vera here. Look at that. Wow, it's healthy. Look at that. Just only, you see? Wow. Look at that, guys. There's so many papaya here. Oh, wow, so big. I'm so happy. Look at that. There's so many papaya in our backyard here in Saudi Arabia. Here in Suwaiba, in my place. Look at that, guys. And also here have jackfruits. You know jackfruits? This is a fruit also in the Philippines, but here in Saudi Arabia, look at that. They have many fruits here. Wow, so many jackfruits here. I'm so happy. Wow. And also have, what is this? This is a, you know, pomegranate? This is a pomegranate. And but no coming fruits. And also have a banana here. And this is what is this tree? Can I? Oh, this is a makopa, you know. And have also makopa here in Saudi Arabia or duhat. I don't know. This tree is makopa. They we call in the Philippines makopa, you know. See? They coming a makopa tree. And also banana. So guys, hopefully we've enjoyed my video. I want to show to all of you this our farm here in backside of my accommodation. Okay. Okay guys, enjoy watching. This is my farm here in Suwaiba. Have a nice day and God bless. And also have you know, Atis. This is Atis. And also Tamarin. I have Atis. Look, this Atis have fruits also. See, but not ready to pick out. Picking this Atis. Okay. So this is our accommodation here in Suwaiba. At my side, look at that. This is cabin housing. There's a lot of housing here. Lot of 1, 2, 3, and this is our accommodation. And also have chili. You know this chili? Yes, this is a chili, you know. There's a lot of chili here. And also have guava and papaya. Look at that. There's a lot of fruits. Wow. And also have a vegetable here, like what this name of this vegetable that we call in the Philippines alokbati. And also have saluyot. You have a saluyot here. Look at this. And also have spinach, also vegetable like that. Look at this. I'm so happy because have vegetable here in our farm. When I cooking, I pick vegetable here, like look at this alokbati, and this is that we call in the Philippines saluyot. Look at this. This is one of the recipe of Saudi molakia. I don't know that we call malakia. Molakia. This is a molakia. When go in the restaurant, I order also this molokia. This is a vegetable. There's a lot of vitamins. Vitamin A, B, C, K, E. You know, vitamin C is strong bones and teeth. Vitamin E for good for skin and eyesight. And vitamin C, strong bones and teeth. Vitamin A for blood and good for also for the voice. You know, this is good for the voice. You know, this is for there's a lot of semen. You know semen, yes. If you eat this molokia, you lot of semen, and also when eating this, your your like this penis strong and big and too much sex. Yes, this is good for the voice and also fighting for cancer, for the voice. That's why if you eating this molokia or this saluyot, you have a strong and fighting for so guys, let's eat this. And also if you are ED, erectile dysfunction, and if you are eating this molokia, your your penis standing and strong and too much semen like that. So guys, hopefully we've enjoyed my vlogs now today. This is my accommodation here in Sueba, Saudi Arabia. Okay guys, enjoy watching and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Pobreng Kapampangan, and follow my page in my Facebook, Pobreng Kapampangan. Enjoy watching guys.